Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Want perfectly crispy potatoes, but don't want all the oil and fuss? Your air fryer is about to become your new best friend for this favorite side dish. It's incredibly efficient, giving you that satisfying crunch without needing to deep fry. We'll show you how to get golden, delicious results every time, transforming your potato game with minimal effort and maximum flavor. First things first, let's get those potatoes ready. Give them a good wash and scrub to remove any dirt. Then, it's time to cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Roughly 1-inch cubes are perfect. Consistency is key here for even cooking. And a pro tip, pat them completely dry with a paper towel. This really helps them get that extra crispiness in the air fryer. Now for the flavor. Take your dry potato pieces and toss them with just a light drizzle of olive oil, maybe a tablespoon or two. This helps the seasoning stick and promotes browning. Then, load up on your favorite spices. Think salt, fresh black pepper, garlic powder, and maybe some paprika for color. Give everything a really good mix, making sure every single potato piece is evenly coated for maximum taste. It's air fryer time. Preheat your air fryer to a hot 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's hot, carefully arrange your seasoned potatoes in a single layer in the basket. It's important not to overcrowd it. Cook in batches if you need to. Then, air fry for about 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket vigorously every 5 to 7 minutes. This ensures all sides get beautifully golden and crispy. Once your potatoes are beautifully golden and fork tender, they are ready. Give them a final shake and transfer them to a serving dish. These crispy air fryer potatoes are truly best enjoyed hot, right out of the fryer. They make a fantastic side for almost any meal. Try them with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or your favorite dipping sauce and enjoy your perfectly cooked, healthy, and delicious potatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.